What up? In this video, I want to go over exporting a model and the export settings. So, when you're done working on your model, come up here to the Export tab, and over here on the left side we have Export Scope, which has Selected Model, export only the model you have selected, All Models, export all models together in a zip file, or Animated Model, export all models together in a single file as an animated flipbook. Next we have Color and Texture Output, which has Baked Colors, Pack Texture in Model File, or Export the Texture File. Then we have the file name. You can set that also in the export as it's being exported. Scale preset, which has Tiny Prop, Small Prop, Game Scale, Large Voxel, and Custom. And as you can see, they're all based on different pixel scales. Everything is based on meters. So when you're done and you have everything all set up the way you want it, go ahead and hit export and you can export your model. And that's about it for this one, and I will see you in the next one.